Oh, you weren't going to do a very good net job standing over there.
Don't worry, we'll get pictures and everything going. It's a big cat. Can't wait to show Jimmy too.
Who?
Jimmy. God, look at this. Yeah, with 20 out.
I had a bigger net. You must have made it ready to go.
Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. Is he freaking huge?
Really big.
Oh, my gosh, Dylan.
Calm
Can I
down.
have him on the film, babe?
Yeah.
Come down here close.
No.
Michael tried to get his head in
Yeah, watch that way, Dylan. Watch out the way, buddy.
That's a big shovel there.
Oh, my gosh, is he big?
I'm not going to swipe it and think
No, no, only swipe it one time, that's it. Yes, you did, Dylan. Oh, my gosh, like 6 pounds, that's line.
I said, I was going to say, we were fishing like a practice.
Stay over here, Abby.
Little boy was holding one of them Mickey Mouse
Did I tell you?
rods. It pulled it out of his hand. I snagged it. Big net.
Hold on, Dylan. Buddy, you're going to bring it
My
in.
long hand. Well, he had all of them. I don't want to be close to get it.
Yeah.
Big net. Oh, yeah, there's the net right there.
He's got a huge.
There he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
Look at it.
Here he comes. Oh, my. Oh, wait. One more time, one more time.
I'm going to just hang it down and let you bring his head up and I'll get underneath him.
I know. Good job, Dylan.
They get it close.
Watch out, Dylan.
They get that last run.
Oh, he's like a lion after that.
I hate when they do that last run. That's the scary. When they break it. I don't want to be the one that breaks this thing off. You get his head up, I'll get it. Just clean up just a little bit. He's in.
Oh, yeah! The hook came off.
He's in.
Yeah, Dylan, buddy, look at your catfish, buddy. Look at your catfish. Look at
Well,
that, Dylan. Holy cow, buddy. Give me 5. Whoa.
He comes, huh?
Yeah. First time. First fish.
Right.
Look at that, buddy. You got that one, bud.
Look at the size of that one.
Look at that one, Dylan.
Good fishing, Dylan.
Big catfish, buddy.
That's a big, huh?
Oh, my
It's still
God.
recording. I don't know if you want to stop.
Yeah,
Or...
it's okay. I want to get other than
Oh, my
Yeah.
gosh. That's freaking big,
What we're going
Dylan.
to do is we'll measure him up for you and we'll get you a good picture and stuff.
Oh, okay. He'll go in the board in there?
Oh, yeah.
No. Yeah.
For you.
A little joint effort there, so.
You want to get down there with the fish? I can't even see the
Well, Dane, I'm gonna measure it up.
Can we hold it up for him? Or?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get him measured.